DecisionPoint ticks all the boxes as your Xcelsius alternative. It's a zero-coding, mobile-ready replacement with stunning data visualizations and customizable user interface. Just like Xcelsius, the dashboard applications you create with DecisionPoint are as easy for your business people to use as the apps they use in their home lives, so there's no training required. Apps look great, and you can apply a custom theme to mimic your brand. They include all the Xcelsius-like interactivity your business people love, including drill, sophisticated filters, pop-up views, tabbed views, and sliders for what-if style analysis. Unlike Xcelsius, information is accessible on mobile devices as well as the desktop. Apps can even be used by your remote workers when they are offline. This makes business information fast and easy to consume, so your business users can answer their immediate and follow-up questions for themselves. For an Xcelsius designer, making the move to DecisionPoint is easy. Simply upload your Excel data to the cloud, work with a single block of data, or combine data from multiple worksheets or multiple spreadsheets. Preview or merge data through a simple web interface to see a complete view of your business. Then use this data to create one or more dashboard applications. Any designer familiar with Xcelsius will feel at home in DecisionPoint. You can choose from over 50 visualizations, and DecisionPoint uses a similar drag-and-drop freeform layout. This lets you create custom interfaces that mirrors how your business works. With DecisionPoint's robust data management, it's a piece of cake to wire up components, add drill, and add sophisticated filters. You can use Excel-like expressions to define your own KPIs and metrics, add colour-coded alerts, create dynamic labels and titles. You'll soon find you're far more productive than when you're knee-deep in Xcelsius's complex, interrelated Excel formulas. DecisionPoint makes it easy to create the kinds of custom workflow that were the trademark of a good Xcelsius designer. You can add pop-up views and trigger their display by setting a simple behaviour on a button or other component. Finally, you can apply a beautiful custom creative theme to mirror your brand. Branded themes help drive high levels of adoption. DecisionPoint makes sharing your finished application a breeze. You can share with mobile and desktop users. You can embed dashboard applications in your website or portal. And your mobile workers can access and interact with their information when they're offline. This ensures your decision makers can get answers to critical questions wherever they are and whenever they need. So that's a quick taste of how DecisionPoint builds on the things you like about Xcelsius, including powerful data visualizations and ease of use, and marries these to proper data management in a package that was designed from the ground up to support mobile usage. To learn more and to see why DecisionPoint should be your mobile-friendly alternative to Xcelsius, request a live demo today.